Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma, and today I'm going to explain you how to score excellent rank in MO examination, RUHS MO exam. So guys, your exam is on 4th of April. Now time is very less in your hand. For that, if you want to do revision, if you want to do practice, and if you want to score excellent rank in this exam, then very small and rapid revision crash course for RUHSM exam I have. I provide you that course in which I provide you one-liners. These one-liners are very high yield. So lot of probability you receive direct MCQs from these one-liners. These are not too much. Little bit one-liners, around 300 one-liners I will provide you. And I provide you some theory videos also in this rapid revision crash course program. So if you are preparing for MO examination, then this course is for you. Within 10 days or 15 days, you are able to cover all this course, and this course provide you confidence, which helps you to score excellent rank in exam. And fee of this subscription program is just 2000 rupees only, because last 15 days is around 15-20 days is remaining, not too much time in your hand. That's why I reduced the price. Earlier price is 5000, now price is 2000 for this subscription program. And how to join this subscription program, details available in description of video. There in Google form I mentioned 5000, but you need to pay now 2000 rupees only. And hurry up, don't miss this crash course program. This crash course program is wonderful and excellent. Thank you.